Here we are at Rasta's house. Chachina's gonna get copyright on this video Bob's playing in the background, but it's all good. It's worth it, right, Bob Marley guys? This is a different technique to fill wood holes. We're making a shelf, bro. Got it right off the street. We just cut and sanded it. Now we're gonna treat it. It'll become a bookcase. A shelf tomorrow will show the final result. Now it's got the super glue line. It's turning into a nice red. Very good. I'm painting details with this one. This is Pattaya, guys. When does it open? It's 10, opens at 9 p.m. Cool. We'll come back later. Wow, man, the quality of this is amazing. So, the goal is me, left the engine alone, removed exhaust, watched some YouTube videos on how to do it, and I'm gonna shift gears now. Here, the hardest part, let's remove the alternator cable here. This cable goes to the coil. I gotta remove it here. And I can't forget, where does this go here? Which wire goes where? I'm not sure. I'll narrate this content later, so I don't forget this, you know. Alright, I'll record it here. Oh, the black wire, that's it. So, guys, it's not as simple as it looks. Look here, and I removed this 17 here. No space to turn. Took out 2 screws, 1 left. Let's do this, folks. We removed the engine. She's helping now to remove the flywheel. Check it out. Change the clutch kit. Look here, the rivet's still deep. Parts rivets deep and not showing. They said it's slipping. It's really this oil here. It's leaking from the seal. This bearing's good too. Spins quietly. See, look at all this grease stuck here. So we need to remove the seal, right? Replace it. Go on. How sweet, man. What was that, dude? It's just that it was slipped. It's all good, big coconut. Hey guys, the challenge here with the combi was finding this key. But the universe came through again, man, just like that. A guy was in front of his house fixing his car. I went to chat, and he lent me the key. It's a 36/6 size, and that's it. Just waiting for my buddy to wake up. The engine's right in his yard. Then we'll remove that seal and change the oil seal. It's leaking a lot. The disc, bro, it's still good. Usable. The issue was oil leaking onto the disc, making it slip. It was slipping when starting in first or reverse, but that's it. Thank God I got the key, man. I asked many mechanics. No one would lend. It wasn't working out. I get it. They don't even know me, but then suddenly this random person.
This key, man, this key is crazy expensive. A friend lent it to me. He came here too, helped out, and assisted me in removing this, see? Taking it off, guys. Can we recondition this thing? Look at its condition. Thinking about the next step. Here's the seal we removed to replace it, to stop oil leaking on the disc and prevent slipping when shifting gears. Look, this one's already damaged. Gotta remove it. 2 more to go right here. That's it, folks. Until next time, dude. One thing leads to I need to change this seal, cause it's pointless if oil leaks and dirties the disc, which will mess it up again. So I'm gonna remove this seal and replace it too. Hey Samson, thanks man. These tools you gave me back in Rio at the start of the trip are really saving my ass here. Without these tools, I wouldn't have gotten anything done here, man. Thanks so much, Samson. And to all the followers helping me out, every follower helping me along the way, I'm just so grateful. You're making my dream of reaching Alaska come true, you know? So that's that. Check out the art we made yesterday. Me and Rasta here. Me and Rastafari. He's letting us crash at his place while we fix up the combi. The combi's giving us a headache, but thank God he always puts good people in our path. The vibes are great with us. This is his little peace corner. We made that art over there yesterday. As you can see, I've already taken out the parts. Next, I said I'd change the seal oil, but no, I meant I'll clean the oil that's on the seal. So now we'll change the seal oil, field seal, and engine side seal oil, because the leak is making the 2 traction parts are slipping. So that's what we'll have to do. Look here, folks, the engine's right here. While we work patiently and enjoy the ride too, because we're on the road, so we gotta enjoy it, fix things as we go. See the difference now? Now we put this seal here. The key is to fix one at a time. Don't screw it on. We'll figure it out slowly, guys. It's dark now. We managed to change the bearing, guys. It was tricky, but first we had to clean everything here. So when the oil heats up, it won't get in the bearing and cause damage. The clutch disc is connected again. It's getting dark. We've set up a light here to help us work, you know. That's it, another job done. We changed the seal, the gearbox oil seal. And the bearing here, we changed the bearing too. Here we go, the thing no tutorial mentions, bro. To put this bearing back in again, man. It's really tough because of the pressure here, so I suggest you come and remove this spring. Forget it. Take it apart. Put this part in place. Move the gearbox fork here. Then put the spring back on, okay? Alright, we've placed it here. The trick is to put the old one on top and tap it, as it needs to sit slightly inward here. Got it? That's it there. It's night now. I'll change the disc tomorrow. Look, I've replaced the seals. So guys, to install the clutch here, I need a guide cable. I don't have one, so I found this trick on YouTube using duct tape. You put the tape on and it fits snugly here. I first put it on the tip as the key was too thin. I put it here to make it fit tight, and now I'm putting the duct tape here to make it snug, see? It was hot, wasn't it? We just got the jack here to install the engine. New clutch. I rigged this up to avoid needing the shaft, see? You gotta make do with what you have, right? Alright, I'll give it a once over too, man. Gonna clean it up here. Bought this thing, I'll clean it up. What do you think about Fortaleza? Look here, oil's leaking here too. I think it's from here, the retainer, right? I'll fix this one in Fortaleza. I set up a support point there, or maybe even further ahead. Thanks, partner. I'll introduce you to lots of people, you know. It's up to you if it's open or not. The locks. Alright folks, for the engine maintenance, I put in 2 rubber seals to prevent oil leaking onto the disc again. Change those, and also put in a new clutch. No other way. Take a look at how it is now. But before anything else, we need to clean it up. Now the neighbor cleans this jack, then we just put the engine back in place. Max will help me soon. Alright, now it's the moment of truth. Another friend's here to help. Here's the plan. We'll lift the engine bit by bit. One small issue though. The guy who lent us this jack said it's faulty and slowly lowers itself. We need to watch out for that. When I was positioning the engine, I'd forgotten what he told me, so it was a struggle to align it. Then I remembered the jack was lowering itself, which explained the misalignment. A follower is saying I called the mechanic to show him off. The mechanic's supposedly hidden. Imagine that. A hidden mechanic. If the combi breaks down in another country in the middle of nowhere, man, I'll have to be my own mechanic. Time to test the combi. I forgot to connect the spark plug cable. It kept misfiring. I didn't know why. Opened the engine, saw it loose, fixed it, and now it's perfect. They said I couldn't remove the engine, that I should take it to a mechanic. I removed it, did all the maintenance, put it back, and now it's all good. Just happiness. Still some grease here from working on it today. Giving final touches for Monday to hit the road again. To those who said I couldn't do it, who doubt me, I'm grateful. You're my motivation, you know. Thank God my WhatsApp's full of close friends following this Alaska project. Many still doubt me. I'm grateful to them too. They're my fuel, you know. Engine's in. We're hitting the road day by day. Every challenge is just
Found this VW bus in the middle of the street, man. The van's been turned into a tire shop. Really cool. Really cool. Best part is, the guy pays no rent for his own business there. Thanks, Carla. That's Rasta's wife, Max's. She cut my hair so I could continue my trip. Good morning. It's Sunday, our last day here in Maceo. Tomorrow we're heading up towards Recife. Yeah. I just want to thank the folks here in Maceo, man. People in the Northeast are so welcoming. They helped me with a lot of things. And that's about it. The van's here now, it's running. Now our goal is to organize a few more things before we head up. I'll spend today, Sunday, with Rasta's family. I'll tag Rasta here in a bit. Alright? Just wait for it. Well, it's not all done yet, right, folks? We still need to fix some oil leaks. Budget's tight right now. Follow up from Fortaleza. He said he works on vans as a shop floor. Fix all the oil.
My mission is to fix all oil leaks here in town, but I'll need to raise some money for it. At least we replaced the truck. It could have broken down in the middle of the road. That would have been nice. Thank God we did this preventively. And that's it, right? Now it's time to get to Fortaleza. To the next support point we'll have. So we can fix more things. What's that, Ayla? Are you cooking rats, Ayla? Yeah. Are you cooking rats, Ayla? Yep. Oh my god. She's already cooked this one.